Welcome to the channel, friends, and today we are going to talk about the fees that coaching institute charge for their classes. And it's in this video we are not going to talk about whether you should take coaching or you should not take coaching. We are going to discuss it separately in another video. So please do comments if you want to know about that one. And in another video we can discuss about the strategies if you are taking coaching or if you are not taking coaching. So first thing is coaching necessary? The students must ask these questions every time, that is coaching necessary? So I think that it's on your call that whether you should take coaching or not. Some people say that coaching is necessary, but it's not like that. For an example, if you see the last year 2017 batch, I think so, topper Umul Khair, so she didn't take coaching anywhere. And if you're going to see the trends, that doesn't any give you a perfect idea that if you're going to take any good coaching, then it will give you a better result, because more than 10,000 students get admission in each coaching institute, whether it's Vajiram or it's Vision. But the result, you can know, it's about only 1,000. So it depends only on you, what you are doing. So if you are taking coaching, this video is really helpful for you, that whether you should take which coaching, whether it's Vajiram or Vision or Chanakya Academy or Rao IAS, Drishti, GS Score. So these coachings are basically English coachings, because in Delhi you will find very less number of Hindi coachings. But here Vision IAS is a good Hindi coaching institute, and another one is Drishti IAS, is also a good coaching institute. So let's move toward what are the specialties of these coaching institutes and what are the fees. Okay, so first we will move to the Vajiram and Ravi. So why I have put it at the first place, that this is the best coaching? Because this coaching gives you quality of education. Okay, so the teachers are well qualified and you will really enjoy their company. uh, they teaches you well, they are ready to help you at every moment. It's another thing that they really do have a lot of works to do. I mean, they don't have so much enough free time that you could interact with them and talk rubbish. Like they are really very qualified teachers, and they do really need respect. And let's see here the fee structure of the coaching is I mean Vajaram is 1,54,000. Okay, so it's a 36-week course, approx 10 to 11-month course this is, and it will cost you 1,54,000. And I think it's, you have to pay in only one time. And first you have to do registration, and then you should apply for the coaching's admission. So it's 1,54,000, and this is optional charges. It's 50,000 approx. And if you want to join the CSAT batches, it's 20,000 rupees. So Vajiram is a good option if you are going to choose for the coaching institutes. Why this is a good option? Because first, teachers are really very intelligent. I mean, they are really very brilliant teacher. Okay, and second thing is, the infrastructure is not so good, but it's also not so bad. It's You are going to prepare for IAS. You don't need any infrastructure. Means it's bearable, and you need to get quality education. So that quality education this teachers provide. Second thing is materials. The materials are quite good, and that's collection from I think more than a decade. So it's really quite good. So second, we will move toward second coaching. It's Vision IAS. Second ranking. Okay, so it's, for me it's second ranking, just because these coachings do get recognition everywhere because of their advertisements on all. Apart from this coaching is really very helpful for their current affairs magazines, and their teachers are really very well qualified. And uh, it also provides a quality education. The infrastructure are really very good. You will get support from the teacher and management at every moment, whether you need a single one-to-one interaction of the study, or you need some special guidance, they will provide you. The batches are really very small. You will really enjoy while studying because the chairs are very good. The infrastructure are literally just like a nice coaching. Okay, so let's see here fee structure. What is the fee structure? So for prelims and mains batch online classes, they give you some deduction, but it didn't mean. And fee structure 1,50,000 rupees. Okay, so if you're going to take coaching offline, that it's 1,50,000, and the same thing is 1,40,000. Why Vision IAS? So it's like, well, one-to-one interaction. Okay, second thing is not crowded. Okay, most of the coachings are very crowded, like like Vaziram, it's really very crowded. More than 500 students attend a single class, so it's really very crowded. If you are comfortable, then only join. Third thing is, they provide you per day. I mean, yeah, per topic, I think so, per topic, question, answer, and they check it, upload to your portal. Okay, so it's really very interesting. They check your questions every day and upload it to the portal. It's really very beneficial. So these are the three benefits. Okay. Next thing, these are about the there are another batches which are for 2 year courses, 3 year courses. So I'm generally focusing about the 1 year courses. Okay, so let's move to the third, and the third is of course the Chanakya Academy, which still enjoys a good respect among the students, but it's on the third position after Vaziram and Vision. So the fee structure is 1 lakh, I think 1,47,000. So it's 1,47,000 rupees, okay. And if you're going to pay in one-time fee, then they will give you some discounts in 1,37,000 rupees, okay. So third and fourth one, we are going to give the ranking to the RAO IS, okay. It's, let's see their fee structure. What are their fee structures? So RAO IS really cost very much. I mean, its admission fee of 1,60,000 rupees, and if you have looked like these are other courses of there. Uh, so it's like 1,60,000. Next is Drishti IC. Yeah, this coaching is actually really very good. For the Hindi students, because they provide you a best alternative of Vision IAS. Actually, Vision IAS has recently opened, and the fee structure of this is 1,20,000 rupees. Okay, so if it is paid in installment, and if you pay it at one time, then they give you a discount of 5,000 rupees. 5,000 रुपये का डिस्काउंट है अगर आप एक ही बार में पेमेंट करते हैं पैसे का, तो ये 1,15,000 हो जाता है आपका. एंड दिस इज फॉर prelims and mains batch. It's not for CSAT. Keep it in mind, it's not for CSAT. एंड इन अर्लियर ऑल्सो ये सी सैट के लिए एकदम नहीं है, मतलब मैथ्स इसमें नहीं पढ़ाया जाएगा आपको। एंड अगर आपको ऑप्शनल पढ़ने हैं तो फिर उसके लिए आपको अलग से 50,000 रुपीज़ देने पड़ेंगे, जो भी है। और आगे बढ़ते हैं, मूविंग टू अदर, वाई वी हैव पुट इन द इनसाइट IAS in this, because it's really very beneficial for those students who have appeared for the examination one time, and who didn't have appeared but have a good basic knowledge and want to sharpen that knowledge. Because one thing everyone must keep it in mind, that these coachings are only going to guide you, not going to make you through the list. It's going to guide you, it's going to spoon feed you, but it's you who have to devote your time, it's you who have to devote your compassion towards your goal, and change the goal into a success feat. So it's one insight is really a very good options, which gives you a really nice questions and their answers. So its fee is 27,000 rupees. You can see here it's 27,000 rupees including of all tax, so it's good. Same test series you can find in Vision also at 29,000 rupees, I think so. So it's also contain 30 test series. So more or less the fees will be same. Its prelims test series, it's 6,990 rupees. So it's also beneficial for those one who are prepared for one time. So its next one is ALS. Why I have put it in this, because this was a very recognized institute once time, and still enjoys a good position as yeah. So what's the fee structure? It's also have 1,50,000 as the fee. Okay, so but they provide you CSET along with this one. The greatest beneficial is this one. They provide you wholesome. I mean, other institute didn't gives you in 1,50,000 such amount, the all the papers plus prelims plus CSAT plus essay. Okay, so he provides you, and this GS means test. I don't think that any coaching provides you. So next one is Sriram IAS. This has really everyone knows about the economics knowledge. That's a really wonderful. And what are the fees? Fees are 1,56,000. Okay, so the fee is not so high, but it's really very high. So 1,56,000 rupees for GS studies and CSET. I think this study didn't cover the CSET, because CSET has another 20,000 rupees charge. So it's like it's on you to decide which coaching you are going to join, whether you want to join or not, because it's really your call. And it's good if you are joining the coaching institute, because just see, there are two ways to crack. First is two things to crack this examination. First thing is your compassion. Second thing is hard work. And this hard work contains two things: your knowledge and your continuity. This knowledge you can get eventually by studying, but the continuity is really very important, because the students lose their continuity. They do join coaching in starting, but later they वो बोलते हैं ना ठंडा पड़ जाते हैं. So that's one. So you need to be focused, you need to do hard work, and one day you will crack the examination and you will be in the list. My best of luck to every students. And please do comment and share, so that I can upload the next video, and that will be about whether, if you are not going to join the coaching institutes, then what are the alternatives, what you should do. Okay, so let's hope for the best. Thank you.